Now let's talk about question number 9. What is self-incompatibility? Why does self-pollination not lead to seed formation in self-incompatible species? So first of all, what is self-incompatibility? We already know what is self-incompatibility. First of all, it is a strategy which has evolved in plants to prevent self-pollination in bisexual flowers. Alright, so it is a strategy has been evolved in plants to prevent self-pollination in them. Now, what do you understand by self-incompatibility, or what do you mean by self-incompatibility? So, self-incompatibility is actually a condition wherein the male gametes are ineffective or are unable to fertilize female gamete of same flower or another flower of the same plant. Alright, so it is a condition wherein the male gamete is unable to fertilize the female gamete of the same flower or another flower of the same plant. This self-incompatibility is actually preventing self-pollination in them. It has been evolved for this purpose only. So it is preventing self-pollination in plants but promoting cross-pollination at the same time. This self-incompatibility in plants or flowers are promoting cross-pollination and they are preventing self-pollination in plants. This self-incompatibility can be found in some plants like orchids, tulip, cabbage, broccoli, etc. So these are the examples of some plants where you can find self-incompatibility. All these plants are having bisexual flowers, even then they are not having self-pollination. Why is it so? Because they have been evolved. The plants like orchids, tulip, etc., they evolved a strategy to preventing self-pollination in them, such as self-incompatibility. Alright, so this is about self-incompatibility. Now let's talk about the second part of this question, that is, why does self-pollination does not lead to seed formation in self-incompatible species? We have various reasons behind this. Some of them are, since we know that male gamete is unable to fertilize the female gamete of the same flower, due to this incompatibility, seed formation in the same flower is inhibited or does not occur. This may be occur due to some genetic factors. This may occur due to some genetic factors, or many times it can occur because the maturation of male and female whorls of a flower takes place at different times. So this is the reason behind why does not the self-pollination lead to seed formation in the self-incompatible species. Now let's write the answer of question number 9 here. First we are going to write what is self-pollination, self-incompatibility. So self-incompatibility is a condition wherein the male gamete is ineffective to fertilize the female gamete. It is a condition wherein the male gamete is unable or inefficient to fertilize the female gamete of the same flower, and also another flower of same plant, of same plant. Alright, so this is a condition wherein the male gamete is unable to fertilize the female gamete of the same flower or another flower of the same plant. This condition is known as self-incompatibility. So now this self-incompatibility is preventing self-pollination. That is why the plants have evolved this type of strategy to actually prevent self-pollination. So this is preventing self-pollination, but at the same time this is promoting cross-pollination. This is promoting cross-pollination even in the presence of bisexual flower. Even in the presence of bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. And this self-incompatibility can be seen in some plants, like if we talk about some examples of this, then we have orchids, tulip, cabbage, etc. Alright, now we will be writing the reasons behind the self-pollination does not leading to the seed formation in self-incompatible species. So here we are writing about some reasons. Now we know that first reason could be, since we know the male gamete is unable to fertilize the female gamete, is unable to fertilize the female gamete, and due to this incompatibility, the seed formation in the same flower, is inhibited. The seed formation in the same flower will not occur because of the self-incompatibility, because the male gamete is unable to fertilize the female gamete. This may occur due to genetic factors. And the last reason is, many times the maturation of male and female whorls, that is stamen and carpel of a flower, takes place at different times. So this is the complete solution of question number 9.